Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple kimono dress. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold the fabric into two like this. Then I'll turn it around so that the pleats are facing vertically, and then I'm going to cut it in the middle like this. So I'm going to show you how to put this on. So I'm putting this over my head, and you can choose to wear it like this as a kimono, but then I cut out a piece of the fabric and I used it as a belt. So this is it, guys. It's so simple. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.